Do you want some Gogurt or melted Gogurt? You're Frankenstein. Which one do you want? We are.
I'm not hungry.
Meg, get off of my roof. Frankenstein, fix my TV. Okay. Frankenstein, turn it. I'm gonna turn it around. No, I'm gonna leave it like this. Hello, Cam. Watch out. Hello, Superman. Watch out. Okay. I will watch out. When I tell you to watch out, you watch out. They're right there. No, it's my TV. Is your TV? Hello. Which one do you want? Okay, I'm gonna pick one for you. Strawberries? You want strawberry ice cream, chocolate ice cream, or ice Gogurt, melted Gogurt, Elmo the hugging toy. You want Elmo the hugging toy? Here's the hugging toy, Elmo. I want it. Give it to me then. Leave him right there. He's gonna be next to you. Ash, what do you want? What do you want, Ash?
I'm not hungry.
Superman. Is your mom hungry? As your mom if she's hungry.
I'm not hungry. She's not hungry, I mean.
Oh. Strawberry.